Starts with Jhumpa, Jhulan, and their mother's kitchen. When mother served dinner to both of them, Jhumpa ran to her mother and said, "Mother, I am not going to eat this bitter karela or bitter gourd." Jhumpa asked her mother to give her jaggery and roti instead. But her mother said she had eaten sugar and roti in the morning. Jhulan teased her and said, "Don't you get bored of eating only one type of taste?" This is jaggery. And they had a long discussion. Jhumpa asked Jhulan, "Don't you get bored by licking the imli again and again?" But Jhulan said she loves to eat all kind of food. Then they decided to play a food tasting game. Jhulan said she will put some food items in Jhumpa's mouth and Jhumpa have to guess the food with closed eyes. First, Jhulan put few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. It was very sour. Jhumpa guessed it correctly. Then she put some jaggery in Jhumpa's mouth. It was very sweet. Jhumpa guessed the jaggery also easily because of its sweet taste. Jhumpa could tell the fried fish even before tasting it because of its strong smell. As we just not only taste our food but we also smell our food. Next, Jhulan asked Jhumpa to close both her nose and eyes and then she gave her something to taste. It was a bit bitter, little salty and somewhat sour. And this is, what was it? It was the bitter gourd sabji. We can recognize a food item not only by its taste but also by its smell. Jhulan's mouth started watering when she heard the word imli. When does your mouth water? So usually children like you love to eat chocolate, which is sweet, chips, which is salty, ice cream, samosas, raw mangoes, etc. Do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? We like different kinds of taste. Only one type of taste can be boring. Jhulan put a few drops of lemon juice in Jhumpa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? Yes, just a few drops of sour things are enough to make out the taste. If somewhere to put a few seeds of saunf or any seed on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your closed eyes? How? Yes, we can easily recognize some food items by their smell. So because of the smell of the fennel, we can easily guess the fennel. How did Jhumpa make out the fried fish? Can you guess the name of certain things only by their smell without seeing or tasting them? What are these things? Jhumpa made out the fried fish because of its smell. And yes, we can guess many food items only by their smell, just like omelette, samosa, bhaji pakoda. Just with the help of smell, we can guess the food item. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell you to do this? Because our sense of smell helps us to get the complete taste of food. Closing our nose will somewhat mask the bitter taste of medicine. So if we close our nose, we won't get the smell of the medicine and we can easily take that medicine into our mouth and swallow it. That is why usually our mothers and doctors ask us to close our nose so that we don't get the smell of the medicine and even the taste of the medicine will be masked. Now, we know that our tongue helps us in tasting different tastes. But there are some places in our tongue where we can recognize a particular taste more than the other taste. For example, the tip of our tongue can recognize sweet taste. The upper side portion of our tongue recognizes salty taste and above it we can recognize sour taste. Bitter taste can be recognized near our throat area. That is why we get the bitter taste only during swallowing bitter medicines. Don't you think? While swallowing, we are getting bitter feeling near our throat. There is also another kind of taste called umami or savory taste. It has been described as savory and is characteristics of broths and cooked meat. So this is called umami. But the main kind of taste are sweet, salty, sour and bitter. One at a time, put something to eat in other parts of your mouth, like under the tongue, on the lips, on the roof of the mouth. Did you get any taste there? No, we do not get any taste on other parts of the mouth. We can get the taste only through our tongue. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it is dry. Now put some sugar or jaggery there. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? So if we wipe our tongue into dry part and then if we put some sugar or jaggery, we won't get any sweet taste. This is because there was no saliva. What is saliva? Saliva is the liquid which is there in our mouth. When the food mixes with our saliva, then only we get the taste. And if our mouth is dry, we are not going to get any kind of taste. And this is the saliva which is there inside our mouth. Stand in front of a mirror and look carefully at your tongue. How does the surface look? Can you see any tiny bumps on the surface? Just like this photo, there will be small tiny bumps on your tongue. These are called taste buds. Taste buds are responsible for the sweet, salty, bitter and sour taste that we feel.